Now, shifting focus. The protest seeking justice for the practicing doctor who was raped and murdered at RG Kar in Kolkata is going strong, more than 1 month after the horrific crime. In the latest, the standoff between the Mamata government and the protesting doctor has further escalated. The health secretary shot a mail to the doctors informing them that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has invited them for talks to end the deadlock. However, the protesting doctors, who have announced that they will camp outside of Swasthya Bhavan in Kolkata through the night, rejected the invite, asking how can the health secretary send them the invite when one of their demands is that he be removed from his post. Now, terming the mail sent through the health secretary as humiliating, the doctors have made it clear that if communication comes from the chief minister's office, only then will they be open to talks. Now, this fresh standoff between the state and doctors comes after the protesting doctors defied the Supreme Court's order of resuming duty by Tuesday, 5 p.m. The doctors made their intentions clear. Protests will continue unless the state government agrees to their demands, which includes the removal of the Kolkata Police Commissioner and the Health Secretary and swift justice for Devi. On the other hand, the family of the RG Kar victim once again expressed their dissatisfaction with the role of the Chief Minister in the case. Listen in.
नहीं संतुष्ट होने से तो हम सीबीआई के पास नहीं जाते थे ना। ये तो बोलने का बात ही नहीं है। खफा नहीं है, उन्होंने कोई काम आगे नहीं बढ़ाया। जैसे उन्होंने 3 दिन के बाद पुलिस का आदमी हमारा पास गया था, उन्होंने एक संजय राय को खड़ा करके बोल रहा था ये हम पकड़ लिया, सब काम खत्म हो गया, हम फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में उठा देगा और उसको फांसी दिला देगा। यही इसलिए तो हमको, लेकिन मेरा लड़की का साथ जो घटना घटी है, एक आदमी का कोई संभव नहीं था और हम पहले से बोल रहा है डिपार्टमेंट का आदमी इसका अंदर युक्त है। हमको तो लगता है कोई दुर्गा पूजा इस साल नहीं करेगा तो भी वो मन वैसे खोला मन से नहीं करेगा। उनका मन में हमारा लड़की का विचार, वो हमारा लड़की को अभी पश्चिम बंगाल और सारा देश का अपना लड़की समझ रहा है।
Well, of course, right now we're reporting live from outside Swasthya Bhavan, and you can see how the junior doctors, they are sitting here in protest. They have been here overnight, and it is 9 in the morning, and you can see right now they're having breakfast. They have been here overnight. A tent has been, temporary tent structure has been made. You can see, so there is all kind of preparation. They're ready with food. You can see the water bottles and food stacked over here. They're ready with all sorts of preparation to extend this strike, to extend this movement for an indefinite period of time. Remember, after the Supreme Court's 5 p.m. deadline yesterday, they told us that they will be here for indefinite period of time until and unless all their demands are made. You can see how right now they're singing in protest and they are, raising slogans. In fact, while the junior doctors continue to sit in protest. Now, I have some of the junior doctors with me. Let me try and speak to them. If I can come to you, you have been distributing food. Tell me, for how long will this protest go on?
Ma'am, we have put certain demands in front of the authorities, and as long as the demands are not going to meet, this Andolan of ours is going to, continue.
So we have seen yesterday the state government, they have extended a olive branch, but that was clearly, refuted by the doctors.
Yeah, it was like a very much decoy, They just told us to, send a 10-minute member representative team, that too, in a closed room, discussion. But you can see here in the open, we have so many people sitting here, day and night, It was really hard for all of us because we came from the duty after 20 hours, even I have personally done 24 hours duty and came here. So after doing so much hardship, we are here out in the open. So we can't just accept the fact that 10-member team will go into that closed room and have certain discussions. So this is totally unacceptable. And if they really want to have any sort of discussion, they should come here in the open, where all of us are here, so that we can make a collective decision and we can come to a conclusion.
Now, on that note, we're heading into a very short break, but do stay tuned. We'll be right back with more.